You've seen that viral Japanese cheesecake? Well, hold my spatula. Meet its hotter, no-bake cousin, high protein, no-bake Biscoff cheesecake. Crush 26 Biscoff cookies. Fine crumbs, people, fine. Then baptize them in melted butter. Press into a pan. Freeze. That crust, spiced. Buttery, ready. Now the magic. Cream cheese meets Greek yogurt. Not just for tang. Greek yogurt packs casein protein, which sets the whole thing as it chills. No oven, no sweat, just dairy chemistry showing off. Swirl in maple syrup, vanilla, and extra cookie crumbs for crunchy surprises. Pour over the crust. Top with whole cookies, because we're extra. Fridge 4 hours. Slice in. Creamy, spiced. 10 grams of protein. The dessert that goes to the gym so you don't have to. This is Food Illustrated. And as always, enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.